Ice cream ka kaagad?
Yummy! Yummy!
So very yummy food. Guys, visit here at Digos Santos Barbecue and Lechon House. They really have good food. Now we're leaving. We're off to Davao. They really have good chicken, juicy. Tapos ang
savory talaga.
ang ano nila, ang
Pickles.
ang cute, hindi, ano yun, labanos at
Carrots, oh.
na pickles. Sobrang sarap.
And a cute logo.
Just like our logo.
Cebu. A breeze of Cebu. Ay, Seda pala. Cebu.
Maghugas man day tag plato dali. Dilita ka ba yan? Maghugas tag plato ha? Cebu
Cebu.
de Macho.
Cebu de Macho.
Or Cebu sa kuan. Mga plato. Okay. Murag dulumlog eh. Dili mo kakadulog. Baka may guard. Magtanong na lang tayo sa guard. Takabalo. Asa na ito pa exit to?
Pero
O sandali. Nawawala na tayo. Ayan o. Yan yung ano o. Ayan o, may guard doon. Diba? This is not allowed to.
oh, it's very pretty.
Can you turn on the lights?
Um,
Okay, hold on. Where's the lights here?
alright.
Okay.
Oh, there's the main. There's the main light. Oh! Wow. There's Netflix on the TV.
Wait lang. Meron silang mini ano. May mga ano. Ala, nice ito. Ano to, be? Oh, may utensils na siya. But of course, we cannot use all of those because we're going to a different hotel for pictorial. Muad to mga dito picture. Uy, gusto ko itong mga ganito. Kasi naa siya ingani.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here for 2 nights.
Uy, we have different beds, guys.
Yes. And then look at this.
View to it.
Nahabang mo yung mga view din, ha?
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, there's a pool.
Yes, there's a
Sabi?
pool. There's a pool over there.
Sa mang... Ayok!
Wow.
Nagi di ay. Anindot po siya. Okay.
Not to mention we're on the 8th floor.
Surprise ta diri sa... Wow, may towels naman pala. Kasi may other hotels na wala. May toothbrush. Perfect. Very clean. Wow. My shower. Na-appreciate ko yung owner. Pero cannot use it because my hair.
Never said this before, but it's gorgeous bedroom. I really like
It's gorgeous. Pero siya, Ching, no? Parang complete na.
And look at this. Such a nice design. I want to stay here forever.
It's expensive. Mahal mo ko kayo everyday. Uy, kayo forever. Di mo.
Great plans, but gorgeous.
Siyempre, from Jensen pa ni siya. From Teacher Carol. Look.
Wow. Testing kung hindi pa expired.
You can test, sure. Kauna daw. Thank you sa owner dito. It's really nice.
Yummy.
That's good. Sure.
Especially since purple ito.
Since purple, I know it's your favorite, but it's not supposed to be yours. Kay baby yan. Kay baby Maria. Good.
Maganda dito na place, uy.
Ganda. I love it. Nice kaayo, guys.
How squishy.
Siya hanger din Oh, may safety deposit box ba ni siya nak? Unsa man tawag ani?
I'm so
As if naman may alahas ta wala man.